How to follow someone on Phantom Wallet 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can follow anyone on your Phantom Wallet in 2025 in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be coming over to your Phantom Wallet like this. And up here, it's going to give you the search option. So click on search. And from here, go ahead and search anyone that you want to go ahead and follow. So let's say I want to go ahead and follow a user that is my friend. So what you do is you simply search their name in, okay, and obviously do make sure to search it in with an at, okay, and whatever at you add or whatever name you add, that name usually does appear here, okay, and make sure to add a name that is a proper username that is associated with their account. Like, as you can see, my username is right here, JLYTR567. So make sure whatever username you ask someone, it's a proper username that they associate with their account. And all you're going to do is you're going to search it up here, and that will allow you to go ahead and follow them. And obviously, do make sure to use an at while searching their name. But in the case it does not appear, use it without the ad. Click on their name, and that is how you're going to be following anyone on the Phantom Wallet app. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.